Hey there, food explorers! Today we're diving deep into the fascinating history of everyone's favorite frosty treat, ice cream. Ice cream's roots are buried not in the heat of summer but in the cold embrace of winter. Long before refrigerators, our ancestors crafted icy concoctions using snow, ice, and a whole lot of ingenuity. They discovered that by collecting ice and snow during the winter and storing it carefully, they could enjoy refreshing treats even when the weather was far from freezing. The creation and storage of ice cream required planning, skill, and a deep understanding of nature's cycles. It was a testament to human ingenuity and our never-ending quest for deliciousness, no matter the season. So, buckle up as we journey back in time to uncover the surprising winter origins of ice cream. From the mountains of ancient China to the bustling streets of medieval Europe, we'll uncover the fascinating story of how ice cream went from a wintertime wonder to the global phenomenon it is today. Get ready to have your perceptions chilled and your minds blown, because we're about to embark on a frosty adventure through history. Our first stop takes us back thousands of years to ancient civilizations, where we find evidence of early ice cream ancestors. The ancient Chinese were way ahead of the game when it came to frozen treats. During the Tang dynasty, roughly 1,400 years ago, they were whipping up something called sushin. Sushin was a mixture of goat's milk cream, heated to perfection, and then carefully strained into molds. These molds were then chilled with ice, resulting in a delicate frozen delicacy. Meanwhile, over in Persia around 550 BCE, folks were enjoying a refreshing treat made with fresh snow and concentrated grape juice. This simple yet ingenious combination was a precursor to modern-day sorbets and granitas. And let's not forget about the Roman Empire. Emperor Nero, known for his lavish tastes, was reportedly a huge fan of snow and ice flavored with honey and nectar. Can you imagine runners braving the elements, racing down from the mountains with baskets full of fresh snow, just to satisfy the emperor's cravings? These ancient examples show us that the desire for cold, sweet treats is nothing new. Fast forward a few centuries and we find ourselves in the midst of the medieval period, where the Arabs take center stage in the evolution of ice cream. These brilliant minds revolutionized the world of frozen desserts by introducing two key ingredients: sugar and milk. Their culinary ingenuity helped to spread the love for ice cream across the globe, paving the way for the countless flavors and variations we enjoy today. As trade routes flourished, the secrets of ice cream making eventually made their way to Europe, where they were met with open arms and eager palates. One of the key figures in this delicious tale is none other than Catherine de' Medici, an Italian noblewoman who became Queen of France in the 16th century. Known for her refined tastes and love of Italian cuisine, Catherine introduced ice cream to the French court, where it quickly became the most sought-after treat among the elite. In 1660, a Sicilian entrepreneur named Procopio introduced a revolutionary recipe for ice cream to the public at his café in Paris. Café Procope became the go-to spot for Parisians craving a taste of this cool, creamy delight, cementing ice cream's place as a beloved treat for everyone. The answer lies in the ingenious invention of ice houses. These structures, often built underground or partially submerged in the ground, were designed to store ice and snow collected during the winter months. Ice houses were essential for keeping ice cream. Well, ice cream. They allowed people to enjoy this frozen treat even in the warmer months. However, the invention of refrigeration in the late 19th and early 20th centuries revolutionized ice cream production. As refrigeration technology became more widespread and affordable, ice cream transitioned from a rare and expensive treat to an everyday indulgence enjoyed by people all over the world.